What if 7 pieces were all you needed for a stylish business trip? Let me show you how to avoid overpacking but still stay stylish. In this video, I'll share a capsule wardrobe example that saves space in your suitcase and ensures you're ready for any occasion, from travel and meetings to networking and dinner events. Plus a few packing tips. Let's dive in. No matter where you're traveling, the key is to choose versatile items. While your pieces may vary based on the climate, the formula remains the same. Let me show you 2 examples, one for a warmer destination and another for a colder one. Here's my capsule wardrobe example with 6 pieces and 1 accessory. A polished silk blouse as a perfect base layer for professional outfits. A lightweight cardigan or sweater for comfortable layering during travel and casual moments. A basic blazer is something that just has to come on a business trip. For bottoms, I chose a classic skirt that transitions from business to dinner. Next, a little black dress because of its versatility. And for outerwear, depends on the season, but go for a coat to keep you warm and dry in any weather. I recommend comfortable shoes for walking and elegant black pumps for formal occasions. Depending on the weather, I might pack black sneakers or a pair of comfortable black-heeled boots. Last but not least, for accessories, I packed an organza bow detail which attaches to my silk top and a crystal belt to elevate any outfit for dinner. I also brought a statement silk scarf to keep me warm and a black crossbody bag that doubles as a clutch. A quick business trip often means heading straight from the airport to a meeting or conference, maybe even a networking event afterward. All I need to be prepared for these occasions is a little black dress and a few versatile pieces that fit neatly into my bag. Start with a little black dress, a cardigan and a pair of comfortable shoes. It's a perfect outfit for travel and casual meetings. However, for a formal meeting, swap the cardigan for a blazer and wear heels. To transition into after hours, lose the blazer and add a crystal belt to the dress. If you have time to get a pair of shoes from your suitcase, switch the boots for black pumps. And don't forget the clutch. If my schedule has some downtime in between events, I like to spend my time exploring the city rather than traveling back and forth to the hotel to change outfits. All I need is to have a pair of comfortable shoes and outerwear with me and 1 accessory to transform from day to night. When the day starts with a professional event, wear the silk blouse and skirt combination and add the blazer when necessary. For a relaxed afternoon, swap the blazer for a more casual layer appropriate to the weather, change for comfortable shoes and you're ready to stroll around in the fresh air. For a polished dinner look, attach the bow detail and switch the shoes. With just a few well-chosen pieces, you can create perfectly styled outfits for all key business trip scenarios. I'd like to share a few more important tips when packing. Packing doesn't have to be a stressful experience. By following a few simple tips, you can stay organized and make sure you have everything you need without overpacking. Here are a few tips. Stick to neutral tones for easy mixing and matching. Neutral tones allow you to layer and accessorize freely, making your packing more efficient and adaptable to any occasion. Choose versatile items that match with each other. This not only saves valuable space in your suitcase, but also saves you time when getting ready, as you won't have to spend extra minutes deciding on different outfit combinations. Prioritize wrinkle-resistant fabrics and pack your garments to stay put together with minimal effort. This way you can focus more on enjoying your travels and less on ironing or worrying about your outfit looking not polished. Pack your garments between dry clean plastic bags. This simple trick helps prevent wrinkles and ensures your clothes stay looking fresh during transit. When unpacking at your hotel room, hang any clothes that have wrinkles in the bathroom. Close the door and run hot water in the shower or water kettle to create steam. The steam will naturally help the wrinkles fall out. Allow the clothes to dry completely before wearing them, ideally overnight, to avoid re-wrinkling and ensure they look their best the next day. Avoid using an unfamiliar iron at the hotel. And that's it! With just a few thoughtfully chosen pieces, you can create a stylish and cohesive capsule wardrobe for your business trip. If you are inspired to simplify your wardrobe, check out the capsule collections on my brand's website, link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video for more minimalist wardrobe tips. See you next time!